folks, lavender in bloom coming up on June 8th. Usually we open it a little bit earlier. This year the weather's been a little bit odd, having those late frosts that did knock back the bloom a little bit. They've recovered nicely. They're a little thinner than in years past, but as with farming, that's kind of how it goes. Same schedule, Monday through Saturday, 9 to 5, the field is open. For $7, you get in to cut 20 stems. You get a little sample of lavender ice cream to enjoy afterwards as well. And if you can, we have a free talk at 11 each day. Quite informative, 15 to 20 minutes of how to grow lavender, how to dry it, where to prune it, and really just how to care for it. So do make that if you can. Again, that's at 11 o'clock each day. That's included with your entrance. And this year, with the bloom being a little off, decided to include a lavender plant. So a nice 4-inch lavender plant for you to take home, plant, and enjoy that for years to come as well. So we're open Monday through Saturday, 9 to 5. Field will be here for you. Look forward to seeing you at the farm.